Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular cordless vacuums on the market right now, the Shark IZ163H Pet Plus. If you're looking for a vacuum that's powerful, convenient, and perfect for handling pet hair, stick around because we're about to break down everything you need to know about this impressive device. The Shark IZ163H Pet Plus is designed to be your go-to solution for deep cleaning both carpets and hard floors. It's packed with features that make it stand out in the world of cordless vacuums. With its powerful suction capabilities, the Shark IZ163H tackles everyday messes and high-traffic areas effortlessly. Say goodbye to tangled hair with the innovative self-cleaning brush roll, specifically designed for effective pet hair pickup. The vacuum's flexible wand bends to reach under furniture and folds for compact storage, making it incredibly versatile. Equipped with HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal, it traps dust, allergens, and dander, ensuring cleaner air in your home. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of runtime with a removable battery, giving you ample time to clean without interruptions. What sets the Shark IZ163H Pet Plus apart from others in its class is its combination of power, convenience, and thoughtful design. Whether you're dealing with pet hair or general household messes, this vacuum is up to the task. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a cordless vacuum that delivers on power, performance, and ease of use, the Shark IZ163H Pet Plus should be at the top of your list. Its self-cleaning brush roll, HEPA filtration, and flexible design make it a standout choice for any home, especially those with pets. That wraps up our review of the Shark IZ163H Pet Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.